I've just acquired this Land Rover, Range Rover Sport 3 litre V6 HSE, top of the range spec. As you can see, everything's been colour coded on it. It's just arrived. The wheels are going to be gloss black. You've got the side steps on it. The paintwork is absolutely superb. No dinks, dents, parking trolleys. Got a detachable tow bar. You can take that out if you want. Got the tailgate, so you can open it like this to put your shopping in. Or you can fully retract it like that. That's not been abused, absolutely lovely condition. You've got the load cover there. You have got the rear privacy glass as well. The rear entertainment system in the back. Full leather seats, obviously. Yeah, rear entertainment. You will have to buy your own headphones because of COVID. Heated seats. Entertainment system is all factory fitted. It's keyless entry. So you've got memory electric seats, obviously electric windows, electric mirrors, full leather interior in absolutely superb condition, no rips, tears or wear. Factory fitted tilt side sunroof. Then we come inside. Full screen for the TV. Got the satellite navigation. Got Bluetooth phone. Got heated seats. Cruise control. It's in absolutely lovely condition with really high spec. Harman Kardon. 4-wheel drive. So, heated steering wheel. I've probably missed a lot out. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.